Hi guys, this is
What do you have there?
Christmas wraps.
Okay, do you want to unbox it?
How?
How? How the? Wait, let me help you. You need the scissors.
Ayan to box. This Christmas box.
Okay, can you do it? Okay, go. Oopsie, what's that?
Oh my goodness.
Say thank you first.
Thank you.
Thank you for my Christmas box.
Oh.
Hey,
Oh.
let's check.
Wow.
Let's check the box. Wow, what do you have there? What's the first item? You have a... Can you read it?
Yes.
You read it. What's that? It's a... You read it. Delimondo. What's that? It's a luncheon. It's an original. It's a luncheon meat. Wow. Next. What's your next item? You have a... What's that? That's Atikisha. It's a Danes. Wow, that's a Danes cheese. Next. What's your next item?
So big.
So big. What's that? Can you read it? It's today's mixed fruit. Okay, next. Wow! What's that? Kettle corn. What flavor?
Like
What's that? It's a popcorn.
popcorn.
So I think it's a cheese or barbecue flavor. Next. Confetti. You have confetti. Next. What's that?
What's this?
You read it. It's a... Be careful. Let me check. It's nata de coco. And what's this? There's a letter. Can you read it? So long. Come on. Wow, you have this. What's this? Can you read it? It's a Filipino style what? Del Monte. It's a Filipino style. It's quality. How about this one? What's this? It's Alaska. I'll say thank you. Thank you for my Christmas basket. Hey, what are you reading? Hey. Say bye, guys. See you next